Welcome back to my expedition channel. This time I have to show you my new stuff. I just got this one today, and so this is the Osmo DJI Osmo package. This is the blackvue 590 version 2 channel, so front and back. This is the manual. And this is ito yung actual box sa dashcam. So, the front cam is bigger. Ang sa likod is smaller. So 1080 resolution camera. And the manual. And memory card, and also this is the DJI Osmo packet. So this is the 400K resolution. This is the actual camera. So that one. Almost. This one. So it's very small. The same as this one. This is the DJI Osmo packet and the blackvue dashcam. So this is for my car, and this is for my, travel, whatever. And that's it. So we will try this one. So install natin to sa sasakyan. Let us see kung anong resolution niya. But ang sabi sa manual is this is 1080K resolution ang video. And this is the 4000K resolution video. Let's go. We will install this one on my car. And we will try this one like on the park. Okay, let's go. And the installation of the dashcam. This is for back camera. Ang aso namin palaging tumatawag, so nandun puntahan ko muna siya. Yan ang aso namin. Si Sophie. Sophie. Stay here. Stay here, huh? Don't go. Stay there. Huh? Naglalaro lang. And finally, so wirings are there until at the back. Say hi, Sophie. Hi, Sophie. And that is the front cam. That is the back cam. And this is the actual footage of my dash cam. The 1080p resolution. The front camera footage. And the back footage of my dash cam. The full HD video footage. And the testing and practice of my new DJI Osmo packet, the first video of my gadget. And that's it for today for the testing for my DJI cam. So I'm still waiting for some accessories because my thumb is just too big for the screen. And that's it for today. That's it for the testing for my new gadget, DJI Osmo packet.